What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video here. Remodeling a 150-year-old house. The front staircases were rotted. Leaning to the left. Here's a quick picture. Here's another one. You got some rot at the bottom, some moss growing. All right. We're going to remove these stairs. And we find out underneath they only had 3 stringers supporting this. This is about a 9.5-foot span. We removed all the rotted risers, steps, and stringers. Here's a little angle side view. This place had awesome columns. Back in the day, the columns were built like a puzzle. If you look at them, they were all individual pieces. They don't do it like that anymore. So what we did was removed all the rotted wood, and we applied some stringers, new ones. We had to double them up or even triple them up. And you'll see for the support. And then we started, it's looking good. We started to put new risers in. And then we finished off with the stair treads. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to let the stair treads dry for about a week. Then we're going to paint them that same blue-gray color. But we're going to leave those risers white. We're going to paint that top riser, that gray one, white, to make it look nice. And then we'll start painting around the front door and do some paint work underneath. Here's a quick video of the completion. It's looking pretty sweet. If you have an old rotted staircase in the front, tackle it, take it apart, replace it. If not, give your local handyman a call and he'll be sure to help you out. I'm going to leave you off with a nice picture of the completion, and then after that we're going to go to you-know-who. Where's my boy? Hey, Sonny. You out there, kid? Thanks for watching. If you like this little video, share and like, and I appreciate all the new subscribers. Take care. Let's go see my boy Sonny.
Yeah, Sonny.